What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the Eureka self-cleaning vacuum. Well, not really self-cleaning, but self-emptying. This vacuum purchase was an emergency. Our Shark vacuum, self-empty vacuum, the one that I reviewed last year, has went up, you guys. It died. It died out. It didn't really die, but the part that connects to the extension, it broke. So luckily on Amazon, they have a warranty. So whenever you buy something on Amazon, if it's like electronics and stuff like that, I usually purchase a warranty. Y'all know when y'all purchase something, y'all see that warranty thing, the Shurion or whatever. You see that warranty. For me, it's good. I see some bad complaints about it, but for me, I have good talks about it because every time I had an issue, whether it's being a video game controller or something like that, if they can't fix it, they will issue out a gift card. So with us, with the Shark vacuum, they gave us our $200 back for the Shark vacuum. That's how much it cost. And this is the cheapest one that I could find that did the self-emptying. So right now we are going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to do the unboxing, but we can go over the specs later. One of the main specs is up to 60 minutes of runtime. Now that's probably depending on the suction of your vacuum, which you have it on, but we are going to get into the unboxing. So as soon as you open the box, and it seemed like I opened upside down or what, you take the cardboard out. And I did purchase a warranty on this. So it's about 2-year warranty. The stick is actually bigger than the Shark vacuum one. Somebody's going to say, oh, you should go with the instructions. But right now, we don't have time for instructions. So right here, or maybe I do need the instructions. This looks like a housing. We have a battery. Right there, 29.6 volts. All right, lithium ion. We have the nice, beautiful handle, nice and clean for now. It won't be clean after we're done. Comes with a nice paper, their brand name right there. All right, click that down. If you need to empty out your tray, it's another button here. All right, there you go. You have a filter right there, and it has a faucet right here. So I'm assuming you can clean it, but we'll get into that later. All right, seems nice and simple. You got mode right here. All right, so we'll get into that. And we have the base. This is probably the most important part. This is the reason why you bought the vacuum, so you can self-clean. So you have dust bag over this side, and it says dust full indicator. So we do get a dust bag. We have HEPA filter right here. All right. You always check your HEPA filter, pull up, and it comes out. All right, check to make sure this is dirty. And again, it's not too much to it. The other attachments was underneath of the other cardboard in there. You definitely need this part, you guys, because without this, you're not vacuuming anything. Well, without anything, you're not vacuuming anything. Look at this. This is definitely different than what we had. This one, like the bristles or the brush, it's like right here, and it has like a smooth silicone rubber right here. So one of the most important things is cleaning your vacuum. So right here, you have a lock and unlock. This is probably one of the coolest things. I'm not going to lie to y'all. So what you have to do is press this button in right here where it says roller release. So you press that in and then you unlock. When you unlock, you have to like pull it, and then you can clean out all of y'all hair, everyone's hair. So stop acting like you don't have hair. All right. You push in and then you slide down and then it's locked. All right. And that's it. The wheels feel good. The wheels feel like rubber, kind of. Wheels feel like rubber. So you have wheels right here. You got wheels right here. All right. Then you got the brand right there. All righty. So to hook this up, you grab your extension stick right here. Push in. If you need to take it out, push in, take out. All right. So what we're going to do is push in. Right. So this is the part that broke on my last vacuum. So it didn't lock no more and you couldn't really vacuum because it will come loose when you pull back. So right here you have part of the base and you're going to hook it up right here. All right. So you put it in just like that. Look at this. It says dust cup empty right here. That's how you link it on. Oops, slammed it a little too hard, but there you go. And then one of the main things that we need is our battery. So our battery goes onto the vacuum cleaner. So this is the vacuum. And now we're going to charge it. Oh yeah, we can see if it has, well, we can see if it has a little bit of juice. Let's see. Woo! That sounds like power. And it has a light. This thing sucks, you guys. With the little bit of juice it has. So it seems like it has 3 modes. So on and off. We're going to show you the modes real quick, and then I'll post it. Y'all know how I post the instructions. I'll show y'all what modes is what. All right, you guys. So you have your power button. And then you have your lights right there, indicating that you have power. Right here is your mode. So we have blue. We went on a high mode or medium mode. That seemed like low mode. So this is medium mode. That's high mode. All right, this is low mode, medium, high. And you can hear it, you guys. All right, we got a piece of paper right here. Let's see if it sucks it up. It's already gone. This is cool that it has a light. Y'all see it's going inside, right? Look at that. Eureka! All right, you guys. Oh, power off. For one of the most important things that people like, and place it in. Hit this button right here. And when you hit the button, you hit it again to stop. All right, so that's one major difference. The last one we did, once we put it onto the base, it vacuumed by itself. We take it off. All right, so let's take this one off. Take that off. And that's how you hook up your old school one. Now you can't hook it up from the base, in which I wish you could do, but yeah, it is what it is. You have your old school stick right here. You take that off, and then the cool thing about this, something else we didn't have with the other one, stored right there. Now this one is more of a new school style. Your curtains dirty or your vents are dirty, you could go in and out right there. And this have bristles on it right here, right there. And then hook it up just like that. Take that off and then put it on right here. All right, and I think another cool thing that you can do with this, you can take this stick off right here, and then you can clean all the crumbs off the couch, you guys. All right, you can use this to clean your couch or your steps, but this is easy to clean steps. All right. All right, you guys, like I said, you can clean your couch nice and easy. And with the light on, you can see all the crumbs, snacks, all of that good stuff. All right, you guys. And then can we still hook it up like this? Nope, nope. We still can't hook it up like this. Take the head off, clean. Done with that, take it back out, lock back in. Now, one thing my wife just showed me, because she's going through the instructions while I'm doing this as we go. You can hook this up to here. All right. So if you need to clean your corners out, you can just use this one. The old school one is a little bit sharper when it comes to the edges, but you can still kind of use this one to get to the edges, but y'all see the difference on it. All right. But if you need to get somewhere, you can hook that up and you don't need a long extension. So that's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.